My name is Samuel Muyita.
Abashubuzi ba Uganda Sandra Nambozo na Samuel Muyita bakakora inshaho za Capolax ezuru kuyamba hakurinde bijuma bakaguma bihuriro kusebiro 30 na nukweyonzerayo kandi ceneceza kwera okucendezo kujunda kwebijumebi na nebyo kurya bya fresh cicendeze na nokongera kwa kasasudo dera bahinje batunga entasya ababeraba Sandra Nambozo w'imyaka 26 na Samuel Muyita w'imyaka 27 na bamwe habasinzira abandi kuma mu group y'eminyeto abarukuyiya kandi obwe bacero bato abani bija kutunge kirabe kirije kuhebwa office ya European Patent Office EPO ahabiro ebyo kwezi 18 byo kwezi kwa mukago mwaka wa 2025 okurabiro mu nshaho yibahanjire ya Capolax.
What brought us together was the fact that both of us came from agricultural backgrounds. So we had identified and related with the problem that was at hand, so it was easy for us to team up and preferably come up with the solution at hand, which is Capolax.
It's basically a sachet that we put in fruit boxes during storage or delivery, and it releases an active ingredient that helps in preserving the fruits for an extra 30 days.
We are working with thousands of farmers and about 20 exporters and hundreds of market vendors who are currently using our product to preserve their produce.
Our vision is to be the world's leading fruit and vegetable preservation company.
Okuchondoza nukore kangutane zebyo kurya kurenga katabarwa kamwe nzisikara buri mwaka kandi abantu obukikuru rushanshanana na bashatu nebitwenjara okurigera handagano eyekibina cy'amahanga geterine ekirukuretwa empinduka y'ubwire ekirabo cy'eminyeto ecabarukuyiye cyo mwaka gw'2025 nekirugo mu mpaka zirukumanywa nkabo abarije okubumba nyensya nitsime minyeto abarukuba barukuyi abarya gukora habizubu ebisinjireyo okubonabona kwensi yona Nambozo na mugenzi we Muyita bona bakuriro mu makaga abahinzi kandi barukureba aharujegererwa kubonabona na nokuferwa ahanyuma yo kusharura okwinaka kwate kamani ahamagoba make agomuhinja rukutunga ahabwe misharuro kugumana ejunda nukwe kucurondera omubazi barukujumbura ekirungu eki omukashaho ka Capolax akakozere nkatibaga akarukutebwo mu nshaho y'ebijuma na nibyo kurya birufureshi bakamara ubwire bitakajunzere ekirabo cy'eminyeto abarukuyiya kigenderira abantu b'emyaka 30 na nokugaruza hansi ekirukumanywa nk'ekirabo cy'abarukuyiya bato.